We're barely halfway through 2025 and we've seen countless people hit their first couple $1,000s online. Last year, everybody focused on these big, massive business models. Now this year, those who have grounded in actually doing simple side hustles are the ones who are actually moving forward. And not just moving forward, but also winning. And so what we've done is we've decided to actually put together a quick video describing all of these side hustles where you can go from broke, not making a single dollar online, to making your first $1,000 online without working a job, doing physically demanding side hustles, or just plain out scamming people. Now, if you start any of these side hustles that we're gonna explain to you in this video, you'll have a solid income stream by the end of the year. Now, if you're new here, my twin brother Brian and I have been doing side hustles basically back until we can remember. From flipping shoes to loaning money to high school friends, to even larger, well-known models such as social media marketing agencies or dropshipping. But our bread and butter was really Amazon. But with that said, we've made a little bit of money doing basically every side hustle that's out there. So what we did is we took the best ones and we're gonna talk about those to you today. But in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on a few specific side hustles that'll take you from completely clueless in struggling to competent in building an additional income stream. All of the side hustles that we're gonna talk about today will require little to no investments to get started. So these are gonna be perfect for anybody that's listening to this that wants to get started but not have any of the risk associated with starting a business. So with that all out of the way, let's go ahead and let's talk about the top side hustles of 2025. First on the list, the Amazon Influencer Program. Longtime viewers of ours will know that this is a side hustle that we absolutely highly recommend, and it's one of our personal favorites. And what I can say about it happening in 2025 is that it's not slowing down. Now, the word influencer might scare a lot of you guys, but don't worry, you don't need a personal brand, you don't need to be good on camera, you don't need thousands of followers to be able to do this. As long as you got a phone that you can record videos on, you're gonna be good to go. With that said, there is a few intricacies to this. You will need an active social media account with at least 10 posts that are fairly recent, and if you don't have them yet, you can go ahead and post those. But then what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna create super simple videos, and no, you don't need a professional edit, you don't need a professional setup, none of that kind of stuff. Essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna take products that are already in your house, even your friend's house, your parents' house, and you're gonna make super simple, and if you wanted, faceless videos reviewing those products that you can then post on Amazon. And every single time somebody watches your video and then buys that product, you're gonna earn a commission. Now, the best thing about this model, in my opinion, is that for all of the videos that you're gonna upload, once it's up, it's there and it's there forever. So every single time somebody sees it, you're gonna make a commission on it. So as long as that product is selling on Amazon, you're gonna be making money on it over and over and over again. The major key here, guys, is consistency and volume. Now, what we recommend is doing about 30 videos every single week. Now, that's if you want maximum output. And like I mentioned before, you don't need to actually have or buy these products off of Amazon. You just need to have a product that is being sold on Amazon. And again, using your parents' place, friend's place, going to an Airbnb. Heck, we were on a vacation and we did some videos while we were away as well. So for instance, if you're sitting in your kitchen right now and you're holding up a kitchen utensil, if that product is on Amazon, whether or not you bought it there, you can actually go take a video, upload it, and start making commissions off of it. Now, when we first started this business model, we made our first $300 in the first 60 days. And from there, it's just been compounding. Now, the best thing about this is that it's basically very passive. Again, once you have the video up, it lives there forever. It requires no capital to get started, and you have no expenses at all. So it's 100% profit, and you can do as much as you want of this. The more you do, the more you're gonna make. And that is exactly why we think that the Amazon Influencer Program is one of the top side hustles of 2025. Now let's go ahead and talk about TikTok Shop. Now, you've probably heard of the tons of teenagers that are living in Miami right now, living this incredibly fancy lifestyle because of what TikTok Shop has done for them. I'm gonna tell you, don't immediately expect those types of results. Heck, not even for your first 6 months of actually doing this side hustle. Those kids are there because they sold a course on it and made their first $5,000 and then went ahead and inflated the results. But don't let this discourage you because TikTok Shop is 100% a valid and a great opportunity for 2025. In fact, there's actually a few different ways that you can actually go and make pretty good money on when it comes to TikTok. You can use things like Fulfilled by TikTok, the product showcase, sell with in-feed video and live video, live shopping, the creators program, and more. You can even go ahead and partner with brands to promote their own products, but I will say that that one is gonna be a little bit more advanced and might require its own video for us to do. Next on the list is the Amazon Affiliate Program. Now, this in fact is different than TikTok Shop, but I wanted to make sure that I did in fact bring it up. Now, Amazon actually has an affiliate program called Amazon Associates, which is super simple to actually set up. And in fact, it's actually like the Amazon Influencer Program where you just need to have an active social media account to get started. What you'll essentially do is you'll basically take any of the products that are listed on the Amazon Associates platform, grab your unique link of any of those products, and then start promoting it on your social media like TikTok. You can do reviews, you can do skits, you can even do faceless content. And to compare the Amazon Influencer program to the Amazon Associates program, with the Influencer program, essentially what you're doing is you're creating videos to help convert the traffic that is coming to the listing. Whereas with Amazon Associates, what you're doing is you're driving traffic to the listing. Now, similar to the influencer program, if you in fact convert somebody, you're gonna get a commission on that as well. But if you wanna go the TikTok shop route, that's totally fine. Both are great ways to make money. Just remember that it's gonna take about a year for you to actually go and get that penthouse or the sports car, and a heck of a lot of videos along the way. But with the Amazon Associates program, the great thing about it is that you're driving traffic to Amazon that has millions of active customers and users. So this side hustle is in fact a great opportunity for 2025, and that's exactly why we wanted to add it to this list. Next up is Amazon arbitrage, which a lot of people will actually refer to as product flipping because that's essentially what it is. Essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy products from retailers like a Walmart, for instance, or you're gonna find them online where they're being sold for cheaper, and then you're gonna basically buy that product, get it to Amazon, and you're gonna sell it for higher. So the goal here is you're looking for products that are sold for less so that you can make the margin being able to sell it for higher on Amazon. When done right, you can actually go ahead and generate a ton of revenue in doing this. Now, of course, with this, you do need to buy the products in advance, so there is some upfront cost, but you can start small and then grow from there. Now, the key here is being extremely smart with the products that you actually choose. Ones that have a lot of margin that will give you the opportunity to be able to scale. Now, the cool thing with Amazon arbitrage is you don't actually need to build a brand. You can actually go and find brand name products that are already selling, already have listings on Amazon, and then go ahead and sell them on those listings as well. You can literally go to Target right now, find something that you can make a profit on off of a shelf, buy it, send it to Amazon, and start making money right away. The speed of this model is great because you ultimately can go and generate a lot of revenue very quickly and with a low startup cost. The one thing I will say is that you just want to be cautious of the products that you choose because some products on Amazon will have restrictions, and it's the last thing that you want to actually deal with. Now, I know we're primarily an Amazon channel, but this video is listed best side hustles of 2025. So we figured that we'd actually branch out a little bit and talk about a unique opportunity in 2025, and that is actually clipping. And let me explain what this is. Essentially, there is a ton of people out there right now that are basically taking clips from videos like the one you're watching right now, uploading it to Instagram, on TikTok, getting a bunch of views, and then being paid for it from different creators that are offering money for the views that they actually get. Let me give you an example. You've probably seen a bunch of Andrew Tate stuff where you're just scrolling and there's tons of videos of Andrew Tate that are not actually on their personal profile. That is essentially what clipping is. It's taking content that's already made, making very short forms of it, and basically uploading it a lot to get views, and you're getting paid from people like Andrew Tate. That's essentially what clipping is. It's super easy, and honestly, you can do this with CapCut, for instance. So anybody can do this from the comfort of their own home. You can actually do this with Amazon's affiliate program, driving views to those listings. Again, the way that people are really making money on this is they're getting paid by those creators for every 1,000 views that they get, that they drive for that specific creator. In either scenario, this costs $0 to get started, and you can do this with just an iPhone. And I see some people making some serious money doing this. Now, if you're this far in this video, one of two things is likely the case. Number one, you really want to make money as quickly as possible. Or number two, you just don't know which of these side hustles is actually for you. Or for some of you guys, it might even be the case of both. Either way, we actually have a private community called the Side Hustle Hub, where we teach people to make their first $1,000 online with whatever side hustle they actually prefer. Now, we may be Amazon specialists, but we've been in the game for a while. We had our own side hustle phase when we were back at home in high school, lending money, flipping products, friends, selling them online, on Marketplace. And honestly, we made all the mistakes, seen a lot of success, so we can guide you firsthand on exactly what you need to do in each of these side hustles. Now, if you're interested in checking that out, there's gonna be a link down in the description for you to click and join the community, as well as on the pinned comment at the very top of the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's make 2025 your best year yet.